topic is all about the theoretical probability of a single event for listing outcome. So first, let us define the meaning of single event. Okay, when we say single event, as an event that involves only one action or one experiment. So pag sinabi daw natin anak na single event, one action lang to or one experiment. Isang experiment lang ang ating pinag-uusapan. Okay, example of single event we have tossing one coin. Another, we have also rolling one die. We have also choosing one card and picking one marbles. Okay, so note, if in future lessons, you may encounter the term simple event, which can have a different definition. Kasi anak, ang simple event or single event ay walang exact definition. But based on our observation, we can say that single event is one action or one experiment. Kasi one experiment at a time po tayo. Okay, in this lesson, we define the single event as one that involves only one experiment or stage. So, the probability of a single event. So, example number 1 and example number 2. So, let's compare po. How to find the probability of a single event? So, for number 1, can you read first the given situation, everyone?
A fair die is rolled once. What is the theoretical probability of getting a number 4?
Okay, so to find the probability of a single event, bakit po nasabi nating single event? Ano po ba yung naging experiment natin dito? Rolling a die once. So meaning that is a single event. So now, to find the probability of a single event, so of getting a number 4, so step number 1 is we need to identify first the sample space. And now what is a sample space? When we say sample space, meron siyang capital letter S, or what we call the set of all possible outcomes. So based on the given, when you roll a die once, what are the possible outcomes? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Para maging sample space yan, anak, capital letter S. Then use braces or bracket, sulat mo sa loob ng braces or bracket, lahat ng possible outcomes when you roll a die. And that is the sample space. Now, for example, number 2, choosing a primary color, red, blue, yellow, find the theoretical probability of blue being chosen. Okay, so, dito naman anak, theoretical, parehas silang theoretical, meaning hindi natin gagawin yung experiment. But based on the situation, meron na tayong idea, ano yung possible na magiging result. So, based on the given situation, ano daw po yung primary colors anak? Red, blue, and yellow. So, first step, same pa rin dito, write the sample space. And we have also S is equal to red, blue, yellow. What is S? Sample space. What is the meaning of sample space? Set of all possible outcomes. Okay. Now, after that, so we can write the formula na po. By the way, so ito lahat ng mga sample space, lahat ng possible outcome, pag sinulat mo, sa loob ng braces or bracket, nilagyan ng capital letter S, ang tawag na po sa method na to ay listing method. Nilist mo. Sinulat mo isa-isa lahat ng possible outcomes. So, after that is write the formula na po. This is the formula of theoretical probability. So, probability of a single event is equal to number of favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes. So, in short, we can write this as, okay, where, again, P of E, favorable of an event. We have N of E, number of favorable outcomes. Then N of S, number of possible outcomes. Now, how to find the probability of a single event using the given situation? O, number 1 muna tayo. So, given this situation, what is the theoretical probability of getting a number 4? The question is, ilan ba yung number 4 dito? 1. That is the favorable outcome. 1 over total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so therefore, the probability of event is 1 over 6. And that is the answer. Katulad lang to ng topic natin noong nakaraan. Okay, now, after that, convert 1 over 6 to decimal. So, this is equivalent to 0.1667 or in percent 16.67. Pero anak, sa ating activity, kapag ang ating decimal ay infinite or walang katapusan, round off your answer na lang to the nearest 100. So we can say that the answer here is 0.70 na lang po. 2 digits, hundreds po. And then dito, kapag 0.17, ilang percent? 17%. Okay, so next, after that, let's answer number 2. Okay, what is the theoretical probability of blue being chosen? Ilan yung blue, anak? 1 over 3. Therefore, the answer is 1/3 or 0.3333 or 33.33%. So, any question?